Hi, I'm Melissa, and today we're going to chat about 3 reasons why September is a great month to sign up with SeneGence. So what is SeneGence? SeneGence is an amazing cosmetics and skincare company. If you've ever tried lip scents, that is what we are best known for. I'm wearing it right now on my lips. It's smudge-proof, budge-proof lipstick that lasts 4 to 18 hours. So it's a very amazing, long-lasting product. All the cosmetics are anti-aging, long-lasting, and amazing skincare also. So that is what SeneGence is in a nutshell. So why is September a great time to sign up to be a distributor? The first reason is because in September 2022, the sign-up fee is waived. So normally it would cost $65 to sign up to be a distributor. That's an annual fee. You can think of it kind of like a Costco membership. But in September, it is totally free to sign up and give it a shot, start your business, get some great discounts on products, whatever you want to do. Second reason it is a great month to sign up with SeneGence is because since you are getting that free sign-up fee, any order you place, I'm talking if you buy 1 gloss, you get your free lips kit. And your lips kit is a business portfolio. You can pick from 3 different kits that have 3 different lip sense colors. Comes with a glossy gloss, a remover. That kit is worth over $130. And with any order that you place, you get that kit for free. So even if you just wanted a few more lip sense colors, it's a great month to sign up, place an order of any size, and then you're gonna get that lips kit for free. So no reason not to do that. Third reason it's a great month to sign up with SeneGence is because there is a special bonus this month also. If you place a qualified order, which is 300 PV, that means 300 product value, which equals 600 retail. So if you place a 600 retail order, first off, as a distributor, you're going to get your 50% off, which you get for your first 90 days on any 300 PV orders or more. So to break that down for you, that means you're getting $600 worth of product for $300. And in addition, if you place that 300 PV order during the month of September, you are going to get an extra bonus from SeneGence, which is 300 Senebucks. Senebucks are basically credit that you can use for SeneGence products, and you're going to be able to use that on your next order. So what that means is 300 Senebucks is worth like $150 in cash. So you're going to be able to get even more products for yourself to sell, whatever you want to do with it. But basically it just means you're getting another whole bunch of products for free. So those are 3 great reasons to sign up to be a SeneGence distributor in September. Also, 1 bonus reason. On my team, My Crown Princess does an annual incentive trip, and she just announced that the incentive trip is going to be for Siesta Key next summer. And this is something that is totally doable and that you can earn by basically just working your business. So September is a great time to sign up because she just announced this, and you have plenty of time to be able to earn this trip. So that is a bonus reason it is a great time to sign up in September. So if you are interested, check below. There's a link. You can sign up. If you have any questions, my information is also below. Feel free to reach out and contact me, and I would be happy to answer any of your questions.